Welcome, traders. If you're new to the financial markets and ready to start your journey on the right foot, you've come to the right place. I'm thrilled to introduce you to our new series, 15 Key Trading Concepts Every Beginner Should Master. We created this series to help you build a solid foundation. In trading, lasting success isn't about chasing quick wins. It's about understanding the core principles that drive the markets. Mastering these fundamentals is the first and most important step toward making confident, informed decisions. So, what will you learn? We're going to break down everything you need to know, one concept at a time. We'll start with the building blocks: financial assets. You'll discover the differences between forex, stocks, metals, and indices, and find out which ones fit your trading style. Next, we'll demystify market dynamics, explaining how supply and demand really move prices. You'll learn the practical tools of the trade, from executing market orders to setting precise limit orders. But most importantly, we'll teach you how to protect your capital. We'll dedicate entire episodes to crucial risk management tools like stop-loss orders, take-profit orders, and effective position sizing. We'll also dive into the two major schools of thought: fundamental analysis, understanding what drives an asset's value, and technical analysis, learning to read the language of the charts. By the end of this series, you'll have the clarity and confidence to navigate the markets. Of course, knowledge is only powerful when you have the right tools to apply it. That's where My Markets comes in. Our FSC regulated platform provides everything you need to put these concepts into practice, offering a comprehensive suite of tools: institutional grade execution with spreads from as low as zero point 0.0 pips and 24/7 expert support. We're here to support you at every stage of your development. Are you ready to build your trading expertise from the ground up? Follow along with us as we release each new video. This is your opportunity to stop guessing and start trading with a clear strategy. Follow us on LinkedIn or subscribe our YouTube channel now so you don't miss a single episode and take the first step toward unlocking your full trading potential. We'll see you in the first lesson.